All right, with this one's a little bit more difficult. You have to use your brain on this one. Okay, so it says the graph shows the plans for a patio about to be built. Determine the perimeter. So remember, the perimeter is every distance around. Okay, and we're going to assume, it says assume that each unit of the graph represents 1 foot. Okay, so right off the bat, we can count the links that are going horizontally. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So these are 13 units, or 13 feet, and I'm assuming that it's the same on the bottom, but we're going to make sure. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes. Okay. So we already have 26 units right there. Okay. So how are we going to figure out these links? Well, we can use Pythagorean theorem. Okay. So we can use Pythagorean theorem because we can make a right triangle between these 2 points using the coordinate grid. Okay, and the distance that we're trying to find is the part of the triangle, the hypotenuse. It is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So all we have to do is count the units that it makes. So this, from this end point right here to this end point of our imaginary right triangle that we created, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. Okay, so if we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem, our first leg is 5 units long. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12 units. So our second leg is 12 units long. And now you use Pythagorean theorem. 5 times 5 is 25. 12 times 12 is 144. My calculator. We're going to do 25 plus 144 equals 169. Take the square root of that, and it equals 13. So this unit right here that we're trying to find are 13 units long as well. Okay? All right. So just to be sure, we're going to count to make sure the legs are the same length. So because if the legs are the same length, then the Pythagorean theorem is going to get us the same answer. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's good. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Yep, we're good. Okay, so this one's also 13 units long. So we have 13 times 4, because there's 4 sides that equaled the measure of 13. So 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13, or 13 times 4, which gets us 52.